Hello, my friend, and welcome to this small video that I have made for you. As you have seen in the title, it says it's over. What I want to say actually in this video is that it's not what you think. So, it's not over for this channel. It's not over for me making videos because, like, if you have been following me, I have been making videos. I believe, it's been 3 years, and I was actually making, Flutterflow for beginners courses. We have been making projects here for the past, I believe, 3 years, and at a certain point in the life of this channel, I started to think, why not sell courses? Like, instead of giving free value like I used to, I would be just trying to sell courses, and I tried that for 2 years, all right, and it didn't work. So if that's just my honest take. Selling courses is something that doesn't work for me. It took a lot of money from me because I was trying to run ads, and it took a lot of things, and it stopped me from giving away free value to you guys on this channel. Uh, this reminded me of my goal at the first place when I started this channel. I started this channel to just share my knowledge and teach you how to build apps with Flutterflow. And of course, we will be learning also Bubble.io to build web apps. My goal was just to teach you, or that was, I would wake up in the morning, make a couple of videos, publish them, and that was a joy for me. But then when I tried to switch to a more profitable approach, like, profit is good. Like, we all doing things to make money at the end of the day. But in this case, I believe that when I was giving free value, I was getting a lot of engagement on my channel. My channel grew so dramatically and so fast, and I was also getting clients. So many people were following my videos and then commenting or reaching out to me via my email or other platforms, seeking help or want me to coach them because they have seen my videos, or they just want me to build their apps, and that's why I was making money. So I was giving free value, attracting people, and then making money from them, from client work. All right, so I believe it's time now to go back to that time. All right, so this is my final decision. I decided to stop actually trying to sell courses, because selling paid courses, I believe, is, it's not my thing. I tried so hard to do that, but I realized it's not mine. It's not my thing. All right, so I will go back to making playlists here on this channel. And if you go to my channel, you will see that there is no playlist. Like, there is, like, those old playlists are gone because they are very, very outdated. So I will be publishing a Flutterflow for beginners course. The one that I am selling, I will be publishing it just for free here in the next couple of days. And after that, we are going to be publishing a Bubble for beginners course, so you can learn also how to build web apps. And after that, we will be building a lot of projects with both Flutterflow and Bubble. We will learn how to build a marketplace, a social media app, an AI app, and like, probably any project that comes to my mind, we will be building that together. All right, and I will be teaching you that here for free on YouTube. And I just hope that you will enjoy it first, and that you will, of course, be grateful. Sorry, not grateful, but be generous. Yes, and share it with your friends and family, because I'm giving you away. I'm giving, like, a lot of value, and I put a lot of effort in making these playlists and projects. So you just, like, watch them, learn them, and enjoy them, and of course share them with your friends and family, since they are free. So why not share them? So you will not have to get people to buy a thing or so. You just pick up a link of a playlist or a project here on YouTube and share it with them, and let them also learn and enjoy. Why not? So this is exactly what I wanted to tell you in this video. I kind of told you the mistake I have made and where I am heading with my channel and with my passion and my skills. So I'm trying to give away value so people can learn and build useful apps that will help other people in their life. So thank you so much for watching this video. Watching this video is kind of cool, to be honest with you. Thank you for watching it again and again, and I will just stay tuned, because I will be publishing more videos in the next few days. So I'll just be preparing a few things here and there, and I will start publishing just like I used to in 2024. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.